Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I play something in this song, Hosanna in the it's a very popular song, right? So I just feel like showing you guys. It's very simple. I'm not going to waste much of your time. So I'm using the key of B here. This is actually my C shape, but I actually tuned down my guitar half step down, right? So this is my root C, right? B, sorry, right? So Hosanna in the yes, on this La, on the 6th here, that's actually where I ran the short riff. So yeah, that's very simple. I'm going to show you guys now. So what I played there is just simple. Then I landed on my 4th. So it's actually a riff you play or you run to help you land on your Fa, on your 4th, right? So right, so your Fa here swinging with your 5 here. So right, so you get it. So let's try it now. Hosanna in the go. Let our King, he's going there to let our King. Let me go again. In the let our King believe that. You get it too. Believe that I. Then straight to the other part. So let me call it out, right? So I'm playing La mi la ti do re, right? La mi la ti do re, then mi fa so, la mi la ti do. 6 3 6 here, right? La ti 7 do your 1, so then re, which is your 2, then mi fa so 3 4 5, right? Mi fa so, then do re mi so, then mi, do re mi so mi, la mi la ti do re mi fa so, do re mi so mi, then your fa, holding your so again here, right? So you get it. Sorry. So your notes have to be clean and clear, right? So let's take it from the top. So you get it. Let's go again. Let's go. 1, go. Slowly. Hosanna in the let's go. You see how it works, right? So Hosanna in the so just try it out. It's very simple. Very simple. La mi la ti do re, then mi fa so, do re mi so, mi, then fa with your Fa here, right? Holding your so down here, right? So that is also. I'm going to see you in my next lesson. Thank you so much.